The next question is a beam of electromagnetic radiation of intensity is 6.4 into 10 to the power minus 5 W per centimeter square is comprised of wavelength lambda equal to 310 nanometer. It falls normally on a metal of surface 1 centimeter square. If one of the 103 photons ejects an electron, the total number of electrons ejected in 1 second is 10 into then x 10x. So x is now its solution. P is the intensity into area, and so these are the values given in the question. So intensity P will be 6.4 into 10 to the power minus 5. Now for photoelectric effect to take place, energy should be greater than the work function. So and which is greater than the work function. From here we can see that. Therefore photoelectric effect takes place. Now n is the number of photons emitted. So n into E, which will be equal to I into A. Therefore n will be IA divided by E. Now these are the values given above. So n will be 10 to the power 14. N is the number of incident photons. Since 1 out of every 1000 photons are successful in ejecting one photoelectron, therefore the number of photoelectrons will be 10 to the power 14 upon 10 cube. So x will be 11.